so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you having a great day? Yeah, I am too, because I am drawing. I love drawing. It's so much fun to express your creativity. Whoa, I have an idea. Why don't we draw something together? And why don't we draw JJ from Cocomelon? Wow, what a cute boy. He's in preschool, and he's just so happy. All right, let's take a black marker and draw his head. Looks like a circle, but it's actually a square with very rounded corners. Whoa, yeah. And do you see how I had a gap right there? Yeah, that's for his hair. Let's draw his hair. Yeah, it swirls like this. Whoa, boing. Whoa, whoa, yeah, cute hair. And now for his eyes. They're so big. Whoa, there we go. Two big circles like that. And then circles inside the circles. Whoa! And let's draw his eyebrows so we don't forget it. And let's draw his pupils. Yeah, see those black circles? Yeah, cool. Now for his nose. That's how JJ smells. Whoa, maybe it's because his sister Yo-Yo was cooking something in the kitchen. Yeah, there we go. Or maybe his brother Tom-Tom, yeah, is eating some pizza or salad. Whoa, now let's draw a big smile, just like that. Yeah, because maybe he's so happy because he just rode his bicycle with his best friend Cody. Whoa, he does look happy. Let's draw a little tongue right there. So cute. And what's he missing on the side of his head? Hello? Yeah, two big ears. Whoa, there we go. That's how he hears. All right, shall we color him in or shall we color him in? All right, so let's draw some brown on his eyes. Yeah, he has colorful brown eyes. Whoa, so big. Whoa. Yeah, you just draw brown circles right there around the pupils. And then he's looking more like JJ. And for his hair, yeah, it's the color yellow, blonde. So let's do some squiggles right up there. Whee! Wow, such cute hair. Wow, JJ is such a fun boy. And speaking of fun, did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, it was fun. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. See you, JJ. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Are you excited to draw with me? Yeah, I am too. And today, you and I are gonna draw a fruit. Yeah, not a vegetable, a fruit. Hey, and will you guess what fruit it is? I'll describe it to you. It's a big fruit. It's circular. Yeah, nice and round. It's very heavy. It's green on the outside, but when you cut it open on the inside, what you eat is the color red. Yum! Yeah, it's a watermelon. Not just any watermelon, it's a Cocomelon watermelon. Are you excited? Yeah, let's draw. Okay, first I'm gonna take the color green and draw a big circle. Woohoo! There we go, just like that. Whoa, perfect! And then on the inside, we're gonna draw a square with rounded edges. Yeah, and that's a TV. There we go. Whoa, 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 yeah! And now let's draw some watermelon lines. Whoa, yeah! There we go. Perfect. Whoa, yeah! Wow, now it's looking like a watermelon, right? Okay, I'm gonna take the color black though next, and then I'm gonna draw the top. Yeah, the antennas. Draw a half circle just like that, and then whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, there we go. Whoa, small little circles just like that. And then what about for the face right here? Yeah, two big eyes. One circle right there. There we go. Oh, fill it in with the color black. So then this watermelon can see. And there's another one right there. Okay, what are we missing right here? Right here. Yeah? Okay, the nose. Boop. And then a big smile. Whoa! Yeah, that definitely looks like the Cocomelon watermelon. Wow! Did you have fun drawing with me? Yeah, I had fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again. Bye-bye! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have a great idea. Why don't you and I draw my best friend's watch? Yeah, Meekah's watch. And do you know what color it is? Yeah, it's purple and yellow, her two favorite colors. But I'm gonna take purple and start by doing a very small circle right in the middle, and then a larger circle like that. Whoa, it kind of looks like an eye, right? And then we'll do 4 lines, just like that. Whoa! All right, now we have to draw a circle around it, but we need to do some bumps. All right, so like this, bump out, bump in. Whoa, bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Whoa! Now that looks like the watch's face. And then we need to draw all the way to the top, like that, and all the way to the bottom. Yeah, and that's how you put it on your wrist. And this side right here has circles. Yeah. Whoa, that looks so good. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you seen me drive my Blippi-mobile? Oh, it's a really cool car, but not an ordinary car. Yeah, I have attachments and I can go in really cool places. Hey, why don't you and I draw my Blippi-mobile together? First, let's start with one wheel and tire, another wheel and tire, but then we need to take the orange and draw a circle inside there. Yeah, just like that. And then let's take the color blue and then draw a rectangle right in between. Yeah, see that? Whoa! And then we draw a circle like this. Yeah, and that's where I sit. And if we draw straight up, yeah, the back, you can color it in. Whoa! And right here, I'm going so fast. Cool. Well, if you love drawing with me, yeah, and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, it's Meekah. And today you and I can draw Meekah's bag. She calls it a jam pack. Awesome. All right, first I'm gonna start with the color black. Then I'm gonna draw a very small circle in the middle and then a larger circle around it. Oh, it kind of looks like an eye, doesn't it? Whoa. And then I'm gonna draw a straight line across, but not in that very small circle though. All right, and then I'm gonna draw a squiggly line, and that's how she wraps it around her waist. And a squiggly line next to that squiggly line. There we go, how does that look? Whoa, I think it looks just like her jam pack, except let's add some color. Whoa, check it out. Now that looks like Meekah's bag. Whoa, blue and orange, my two favorite colors. That's so nice of her to wear those colors. Well, I sure did have a lot of fun drawing with you. And if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? All right, since she has blue and orange, why don't I draw with purple? All right, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know who my best friend in the whole entire world is other than you? Yeah, Meekah. And today you and I can draw Meekah's headband. Whoa, you know how I wear a hat? She wears a headband. All right, I'm gonna take the color black and draw a bow tie. Yeah, just like this. Oh, I like bow ties, obviously. And then we'll go up here like that. Whoa, and then we'll draw a big circle. And then we'll draw another one. Whoa, doesn't that look like a bow tie that goes around her head? Yeah, and we can draw some lines to give it some texture. Yeah, like it's wrinkles. And then what color is her headband? Yeah! Yellow! All right, let's draw some yellow. Woohoo! Coloring, coloring. I'm coloring some yellow. Woohoo! There we go. Wow, I love Meekah's headband. And I love Meekah. What a great friend. And what a great friend to you. If you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see what I'm wearing? Yeah, my blue shirt. Ooh, and my orange suspenders. Oh, and check it out, my hat, and what's this? Yeah, my orange bow tie. Maybe you and I can draw my bow tie. I love wearing my bow tie because it's one of my 2 favorite colors. What is it? Yeah, orange. Then my other favorite color? Yeah, blue. All right, to draw my bow tie, we need to draw a circle right in the middle. Whoa, and then we need to draw this big, looks kind of like a triangle, but it doesn't connect. And then over here, we'll do the same. All right. Whoa, starting to look like my bow tie, right? Okay, so now let's draw a very thin oval and one right here. Wow, and that kind of looks like it's wrinkled, right? Yeah, see? Oh, now that looks like my bow tie. Whoa, that was so much fun drawing with you. Wow, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. All right, will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today you and I are gonna draw a bee. Bzz. Not just any bee, bee from Lullaby City Farm. Whoa, bees are very important for our environment and pollination. All right, to draw a bee, I'm gonna take blue and draw a circle for the head. Ooh, an arched line for the body. Ooh, and some more curved lines for the wings. There we go. And can't forget about the cute legs. Ooh, and 2 arms. There we go. Wow. All right, let's draw some circles for the eyes like that. Whoa, there we go. It's starting to look like bee, right? And then some suspenders. There we go. Yeah, for the overalls. Cool. And bee actually has stripes, just like a regular bee. There we go. And then let's draw a big smile, just like that. And you can't forget about the antennas. There we go. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw tabs. Tabs is my cat friend, who's also a robot. So to draw tabs, I'm actually gonna draw tabs in the color orange. And then first, I'm gonna draw her body, just like this. Ooh, her ears, ooh, a very white body. Another ear. And then for her face, ooh, she is so cute, just so happy all the time. And then a big smile with the tongue. There we go. And for her arms, we'll do some ovals, just like that. Yeah, hey kitty cat, hey kitty cat. A big circle right there. Ooh, and what else does she need? She needs some ears right there, some feet right here. Whoa, look at her go. She is so cute. And you can't forget about the swirls right here. Hey, and cats also have tails. Yeah, Tabs does. All right, there we go. And some lines right here on the side. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, Blippi. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah! All right, they're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go. A little hook. Perfect. And then one over here. Whoa! Wow! Don't those look good? Yeah! Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange! Woohoo! All right, there we go! Whoa! I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa! Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw one of my shoes. I wear 2 shoes, but we'll just draw 1 shoe. And do you know the 2 colors of my shoes? Yeah, my 2 favorite colors, blue and orange. All right, let's start with the color blue. All right, and we're gonna draw the outline of it. Let's go straight down. Let's curve that way. Whoa, this is a big shoe. All right, and then let's do a very wide U. That's where my ankle goes. All right, and then let's draw a very long line like that. Whoa, that's the sole of the shoe. And then we're gonna take orange and draw some X's. Yeah, for the laces, so then you can make it nice and tight, so then you can run super fast. And let's draw some stripes. Whoa, there we go. Whoa, cool stripes. Wow, wow, that was so much fun drawing with you. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout.